Hello, and welcome to the channel, and welcome back to the Earl Nightingale series entitled Diamonds in the Ruff. Earl Nightingale was a popular radio broadcaster and motivational speaker who captivated his audience with his inspirational insights and wisdom. One of his most notable contributions was his audio program called The Strangest Secret, which over the decades sold millions upon millions and millions of copies around the world. Here are some key ideals and messages that Earl Nightingale shared with his listeners, and today we share them with you in Lesson 11, entitled Developing Self-Discipline. Let's explore the concept of self-discipline, which Earl Nightingale emphasized. Here's an expanded explanation of how we can benefit from developing self-discipline in accordance to the teachings of Earl Nightingale and his perspectives. Number 1, goal achievement. Self-discipline is instrumental in achieving our goals. It helps us stay focused. It helps us stay committed and consistent in our actions. By practicing self-discipline, we can prioritize tasks, avoid distractions, and make progress towards our objectives. Number 2, improved productivity. Self-discipline enhances productivity by enabling us to manage our time and resources more effectively. It allows us to prioritize important tasks, maintain focus, and avoid procrastination. With self-discipline, we can make the most of our abilities and accomplish more in less time. Number 3, building good habits. Self-discipline is the foundation for building positive habits. It empowers us to establish routines and practices that support our well-being and personal growth and success. Through consistent discipline, we can replace detrimental habits with beneficial ones that contribute to our overall well-being and development. Number 4, emotional regulation. Self-discipline helps us to regulate our emotions and reactions. It allows us to respond rather than react impulsively to situations. By exercising self-control, we can make rational decisions, handle stress more effectively, and maintain healthy relationships. Number 5, increased willpower. Developing self-discipline strengthens our willpower. It enhances our ability to resist immediate gratification in favor of long-term rewards. With improved willpower, we can overcome temptations, break unhealthy patterns, and make choices aligned with our values, our ethics, and our goals. Number 6, personal responsibility. Self-discipline fosters personal responsibility. It empowers us to take ownership of our actions, of our choices, and their outcomes. By practicing self-discipline, we recognize that our success and happiness are within our control, and we become proactive in shaping our lives. Number 7, resilience and perseverance. Self-discipline cultivates resilience and perseverance. It allows us to stay committed to our goals, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. By maintaining self-discipline, we build the mental strength and determination necessary to overcome obstacles and keep moving forward. Number 8, improved focus and concentration. Self-discipline sharpens our focus and concentration. It helps us tune out distractions, maintain attention on the task at hand, and eliminate time-wasting activities. With increased focus, we can deepen our understanding, produce higher quality of work, and achieve better results. Number 9. Enhanced health and well-being. Self-discipline positively impacts our health and well-being. It enables us to make disciplined choices in areas such as nutrition, exercise, and self-care. By practicing self-discipline, we can establish healthy habits that contribute to our physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Number 10. Personal growth and success. Ultimately, self-discipline is a catalyst for personal growth and success. It provides the discipline necessary to consistently work towards our goals, to develop new skills, and improve ourselves. By embracing self-discipline, we unlock our potential and create opportunities for long-term achievement and fulfillment. By cultivating self-discipline, we can experience these benefits in various aspects of our lives. Self-discipline empowers us to achieve our goals, enhance productivity, regulate emotions, and lead a more purposeful and successful life. It is a fundamental attribute that enables us to make choices aligned with our long-term vision and create positive change in ourselves and the people and the world around us. These are some of the key principles and ideals that Earl Nightingale shared with his listeners. His insights continue to inspire individuals seeking personal growth and success. In his lifetime, Earl Nightingale authored several influential books. These works, over the decades, has empowered millions upon millions of individuals worldwide, providing them with the tools to enhance their relationships, to boost their confidence, and achieve massive personal growth and financial success. If you're a fan of his lectures and seminars, or if you would like to do a deeper dive into the teachings and wisdom of Earl Nightingale, I left a link in the description below. If it brought you value today, comment below. Subscribe to our channel to join our tribe of like-minded people. Stay disciplined. Stay humble. Take care of your body. Eat well-balanced meals. Exercise daily. Block out distractions. And stay focused on this thing called life. Remember Earl Nightingale's quote, where he said, "The opposite of courage in our society is not cowardice, it is conformity." And he also said, "We become what we think about most of the time, and that's the strangest secret." Until next time, stay motivated, stay safe, and thanks for watching The Growth Mindset. Take care.